On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. Happy half-day Friday. Who doesn't like a half-day Friday? You know, when I was a unionized carpenter, we would work 37 and a half hours. So Fridays was always a half day, which was always nice. And then anything after that, we called it $20 shits. Because we were on the double bubble, you know? So, like, if you went for a shit, you make $20 kind of deal. You make double time. Anybody else? $20 shits? I mean, is that weird? It's Friday, baby. Happy belated Thanksgiving. Let's jump into the charts. What's going on? Gang. Oh, man, you had to start it off with that. Hey, Fridays, you always got to start it off something weird, AlexOCrypto. Well, at least I'm not a roofer, right, right, chicken? What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. How you doing? It was a thing, man. It was a thing. It was definitely like a hide and seek for $1,000 a week, but then it's just like, I mean, when you're on that double bubble, I mean, you're making almost $100 an hour as a journeyman carpenter, and it's like, you can't catch me. I gotta go to the toilet, man. We gotta push this to Saturday. Oh, that coffee's good today. I've almost crushed my first cup already, man. We're not even getting started. Look at this push. Nice. Seal Gang. What's going on, Shy Owl? What's with the names, man? The names are so messed up. Chantel, good to see you. Good morning. Good to see you, Jesse. Good to see you, Kathy. How you doing? Johnson. Good morning. Not Mike Paul. What's going on? Good to see you, Guy. Gear. Marion. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Proto. Southern Stacker. Menace to Society. Southern Stacker. J Violet. Daniel. Gustafson. What's going on, guys? J Violet. Good to see you. Tony Soprano. What's going on? Let's see some Tony Sopranos in the chart, man. This guy, he's the undercover boss, man. He's been keeping you guys safe in the Discord for over 3 years now. I don't know how well he's doing, but, you know, at the end of the day, he'll just ban you if he doesn't know what to do. He just, when in doubt, kick him. That's the rule. Daniel, what's going on? Southern Stacker. Shumi, Curb Star, what's going on? Good to see you as well. And Terrer. These names are so ridiculous now, man. Especially this guy right here. I don't know about this guy, Harp. You think he plays a harp, guys? You think he's one of those? I bet you Harp goes to Philadelphia Flyers. You know how they play the violin when you suck so bad? Well, he plays the harp. That's how bad the Flyers are. What's going on, chicken? Good to see you, bro. Tips, Blue Collar Traders, Shumi, Madara, Paul Caruso. Good morning. Look at this. Look at this. We got some volatility this morning. Good morning from the Sun Belt. My mom had a Sun Belt. It's for my ass. Oh, I'm on one this morning. Oh my God. I'll stop. I'll behave, Constantine. It's like a half-day Friday, man. I feel like misbehaving. I feel like making money and misbehaving at the same time, though. Powell, what's going on? Cam, good morning. Guy, I'm just going to call you Guy. Jezza, good morning. All Shy Owl, good morning. Momo, Doggy Dog, Muza, Spicy Sushi, good morning, guys. Good to see you. Thank you guys for smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. Good morning. Can stay long. Working Black Friday. Damn, man. That's all right. I mean, did you get paid extra? Give him the boot. Give him the boot. I'm a bad boy. Weather control Harp. Oh, man. I had to go there, Harp. Come on, man. It's only fair. It's only fair because my Leafs suck. All right. So little SFP rejection on Biddy this morning. Coming in over on the turkey. They're going to take advantage of all you guys, okay? All of you guys are going to be like, oh, we're still up at the top. We should just long this thing. You guys going to get wrecked, okay? Right now we are in some BS ascending triangle, okay? Now, I like these on Solana. I don't like these on Bitcoin because they're typically fake outs, okay? Typically. So if this, then that. So whenever you come to a high and you get a double top, you're typically looking for that high to be mitigated, which we have, and the liquidity to be taken afterwards, okay? Generally. So this is what you should be prepared for. Or we get a big old pump, right? We get a big old pump, and here's where we make our decision. Breakout retest. Or fake out to zero. Could we get another one? Absolutely. Also, we can see that clearly buyers have been stepping up, right? That's what an ascending triangle really is that we have major resistance above us. Okay, major resistance above us. Very clear. And then we have buyers stepping up to bid price higher. Every time you get closer to the low, you have a higher low put in because buyers are stepping up and bidding price up, which tends to create an ascending triangle, which is typically bullish. Now, like I said, I don't like this pattern on Bitcoin. I like it on Solana. Solana, it's one of Solana's go-to. Solana loves this, and it typically plays out nicely. See, on Bitcoin, this typically dumps on your ass. So we're in a bit of a pickle here, guys, because Solana, too, when we look at Solana has come back down quite nicely here. We have a nice bear or bull flag continuation. Okay, you can see here. Don't have to really debate this. This is pretty simple, right? We've come down. We have swept the beautiful fair value gaps as a target over the turkey day. We have a bullish balloon dog pattern here, and we could break out, which means we would still come for these highs. Doesn't mean we're going to Valhalla yet. Okay? So we have a couple of options. The NASDAQ has gapped up. The SPY has a gap above it and below it. So we have double gaps here, guys. You guys are at the gym. Stop staring at the girls, okay? Stop staring at the girls. I know she's cute. She's not interested in you, bro. You're still fat. Okay? So patience. Let's see what they try to rock us with today. It'll be a fun day, I guarantee you. Black Friday sale's still on. I have no Alexandra G today. She messaged me this morning. She's working her side hustle. That means that you guys better behave yourself. I'm watching the chat a little bit extra today. Okay. We got our Discord sale on. See, I can multitask here because my mods don't do this for me, except for Alexander G. I'm gonna fire Tony Soprano, but I love him too much to do so. So why isn't that working? There it is. How was your trading this week? Up, down, all around? Okay, up. This is up it's typically at 40%. Typically you guys are doing pretty good. You guys sucked this week. Okay. Why do you think you suck this week? J Violet's next on the list. If you don't step up your game there, Tony, you better watch out, man. We got too many mods right now, but we'll see. Maybe we do a knighting ceremony. Are you good at answering tickets? Oh, I won't even talk about that. I don't even want to talk about the tickets. I've gotten through like 150 tickets. I only got 300 more to go. Up, down, break even. If you're break even, I mean, you've done a good job most of the time. Most of the time, break even is very easy to fix. There's a couple of things to adjust with break even trading to get you into profitability. Typically, it's risk management or over trading. That's typically the problem with break even. You're over trading. You're taking too many B setups and not enough A setups, or maybe you're taking the A setups, but you're taking too many Bs, and the Bs are hurting your A plus setups, which will inevitably hurt your R multiple. Can you promote the monkey? Which monkey? I'll promote the monkey. You can't. I can't tell you about my monkey beside me who trades for me. Okay, that's very, very personal. I can't believe someone thinks there's like someone. A couple of people, man. A couple people think that there's like someone beside me clicking buttons. I wish, man. Hey, bro. Press buy. Hey, bro. Hey, you over there, Mister little person in the cage over there. You over there, down there. Click buy. I mean, what do I do? If I kick you, so I kick under the desk. If I kick you, that means press buy. Right? If I elbow you, that means press sell. So that they don't know. Is there any way of bypassing the taxes? Open up a ticket. I'm serious. Just open up a ticket. Open up a ticket, and I'll try and get to you today. I'm going to be ticket focused today, guys. I'm going to go into the ticket zone and try to get as many people codes to transfer over to Teachable and the website. I'll run the Discord sale. You never end a Discord sale, as I've learned, until I'll run it until middle of next week because people are lazy and slow to sign up. And then they go, "Oh man, you got a sale?" after you've had the sale. So I had to pay taxes. I'll see what's going on with the taxes. I mean, you should pay your taxes. I mean, it's very important, especially in Canada. If you don't pay your taxes, they will find you. They have a specific set of skills. Canada has more tax agents, CRA agents. Okay, tax agents in Canada. They have more CRA agents than they have military. Okay, this is how serious Canada is about making sure you pay your taxes. Okay, they will find you, and they will make you pay. They will audit you. So pay your taxes. Get yourself a good tax person and a good accountant. My accountant watches this show sometimes. He's a good human, man. Come on, Async. Good to see you. All right, chopping here. So taking a look at Bitcoin, what were we looking for here? And really, where are we at, right? I think the hard thing is that a lot of people they get zoomed in too much, right? You get zoomed in here. I can't wait for this thing to make a cup and handle. Aren't you excited for that, Tony? Are you excited for an inverse cup and handle? Or maybe an inverse Adam and Eve? Yeah, it's not looking the prettiest. However, we have bounced, okay? And a lot of you guys think the bottom is in. I'm not necessarily in that camp just yet, okay? When we're looking at this is the block, okay? This is the block de Québécois, okay? If we're looking at the block, this is the block that I'm interested in, really. We could come into this guy here a little bit lower. Okay, so this is the block that everybody's going to be looking at. Why? Because it's our beautiful goal. Is it our goal? All I know is it's our psychological retest area. Okay, 382 bounce level. Now, do we get up to 108? Ish. Yeah. Now, the issue is we have a lot of resistance, okay? Beaucoup de la résistance at 102,000. I don't even know how to say 102,000 in French, and I took French immersion. Cent et deux thousand. Okay. There's a big guy in front of us, though, before that. Okay, so what we must understand is, can we get above this? Can we get above this and flip it to support? That would be bullish, okay? This is going to be the elephant in the room right here. This guy here. Okay, so that means that price action is most likely going to come up to 94 and get rejected. Sorry. Okay, that's what Canadian would say. Sorry. That's the TA. Sorry. So, in my opinion, if we can establish some volume below this area, like we did over here, but not lose it, you're telling me there's a chance. You're telling me there's a chance. Okay? That's the hopium, okay? That's the hopium. And like I said, I'm very much 50-50 that the top is in. I'm still 50-50. I was 70-30. Now I am 50-50. Okay? So, it all depends, really, my friends, on December. Okay, December is typically, we either get a Santa Claus rally, we get the low put in early in December. So if you watch Eric Crown gives you statistics. Statistically, we put in our low for December within the first 2 weeks of December. Okay? So we could come put in the low. It's very possible. Statistically. Statistics, okay? I'm not telling you this is going to happen. I said this is probabilities. We're in the game of probabilities. So if this, then that. So in my opinion, by mid-December, we should have a better idea. However, trend tells us this is down, right? Major resistance and liquidity to be taken. So sweep up here would be, in my opinion, if we push up and sweep here, it's very bearish. Okay, that would mean they come in, grab liquidity, and they send it back down. If we stay in here and we put in some nice price action and just chop and then maybe Wyckoff accumulation, we could actually do something like this. And hopefully this springs out of here and we get going. Rate cuts, Donald Trump stimmy checks, You never know. Peace in Ukraine. But it doesn't really matter. Like, for me, if you have a plan, your plan should be A or B, okay? Plan should be, we go up here. It's very simple, guys. We go up here and we dead cat bounce, or we go up here and we dead cat bounce. And maybe we do this. That should be your plan. That's as simple as you can keep it, right? And this varies depending on price action. Okay. Now, your other plan that you should have is, where are you going to sell? Are you going to get out of your altcoins here? Or are you going to get a little bit out of your altcoins? Because I know you guys are all underwater. Because if I'm pretty much break even, you guys are underwater. I'm not saying I'm like a genius. I'm not. I'm just saying a lot of people are heavy altcoins. I'm heavy Bitcoin. Or are you gonna risk it for the biscuit, guys? There is no second best. Okay. Either way, you need to make up that decision now. You need to sit down this weekend and make that decision now of what your plan is. Maybe you get out 50% of your altcoins here, and you leave a moon bag just in case. But you need to make that decision. In my opinion, you can do whatever the hell you want. This is not financial advice. I'm just a hobbit in Canada. Okay? It's not easy choices. It's not easy taking it on the chin. Okay? But if you're a good trader, that means you win probably 70 to 80% of the time. That means you lose 30% of the time. So you got to be a good loser here. A really good loser. Or you can hold till the next year. Which is... My friend, you want to hold... You want to buy in here. This is where you want to buy. Okay? If you want to wait a year for this to happen, be my guest. But not freeing up the capital here to have it down here is, in my opinion, retarded. You should always be 20% cash. And that can fluctuate between like 10 and 20%. Okay? But you should always be prepared. But this isn't a macro channel. This is a scalping channel. I just felt like I owed it to you guys. This is my Thanksgiving gift to you guys. This is a lot of stuff we talk about in the Discord. And now we're back on the 3-minute time frame. Okay, and I'll shut up. My friend is playing on Steam. I keep getting Steam updates. Why do I get Steam notifications? Interesting. Okay, so we're chopping here. We'll see what happens coming into market open here. I'd like to see half day today, so I'd like to see a little retracement down right now locally. I think we're a bit overextended. Got news today? We don't have any news, I don't think. Let me double check. No news today, which is gravy, baby. Okay, no news today. Looking at next week, though, we may. Manufacturing, baby, PMI. See, when we want PMI above 50, man. PMI above 50 makes bull runs, baby. We are not there. We are not there. We need this to go up, up. Sky high. ISM services Wednesday. Core PCE Friday. Oh man, Friday. So next week's heavy, man. Holy. Army Piper just got a affection erection looking at this. He's got an affection erection. And we still have 87% chance. Oh, that's even higher. 87% chance of a rate cut coming in next week, guys. So happy days. Happy days. Did you guys see Connor McDavid, everybody? Did you guys see Connor McDavid? He signed 2 years, 12.5. For all my hockey fans, did you guys see what he did in practice yesterday? Did you guys see it? This is what happens when you play for a team that doesn't have goaltending. I guess I can show you. This is Connor McDavid after practice. Here's Connor. Because his team's so bad. No. Anyways, too much hockey. We got 250 people here. And not enough likes, if you don't mind. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Thank you for being on the show. Right now, a little bit of patience here. Coming into market open, Bitcoin consolidating, trying to push higher. Okay. A little bit of if this, then that. Patience will prevail. Okay. Patience will prevail. Bitcoin's trying to go. Okay. Ascending triangle, trying to push up. Not something that I typically trade. Consolidation in the middle of the range. Okay. Clearly. Chop City here. So we want to be on the buns. We want to look for this thing to move out and trade it back in or trade it outwards. Okay, we want to see this or this, or we want to see this and this. Okay? We don't really want to F with it right here. But we'll see what we get today. Half day today, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up like button, subscribing if you're new, all those good things. I do appreciate it. If you're new here, welcome. We have the best Discord in all of crypto. We have a Black Friday sale on right now. 8 traders, live streams every day, 140 lessons. I mean, the best gang in all of crypto. A great, great group of people, which is built on kindness and not douche canoes. We like to have a laugh, but we also take trading very seriously. Traders helping traders. That's what it's about. You can go and learn from guys who are good at selling you courses, or you can learn from people who actually make a living from trading. You decide. Oh, too good. I'm 85%. It is in. Okay, I'm 50-50. What's going on, Trade Intuition? Good to see you. Jay Violet. Good morning, Async. Good morning, Isaac. I'm sorry about the names. If I don't say good morning to you, it's because your name is looking like this. Okay? Delhi. Anyone think you have a monkey for trading? For you expect it's a liberal? Probably. Saint-Demille. Merci. My vocabulary has suffered over the years, my friend. Doo-doo. Je ne parle français bien. Un petit monde, but not good anymore. I was good at one point. And then I aged. Huddle for another 4 years. 26K. 40. Probably 40. I would say probably 40 if we go down from here. It depends on how high we get. Okay. If we go, I'm not going to go into the macro. If we go up like 150, 160,000, then I would think we come back and revisit previous highs, 69,000, 68, that area. Okay. If we go down from here, we can easily go to 40. Okay. Have a plan. Good morning, Alex. Keep the macro coming. It keeps planning ahead, yeah. Well, I do a macro update all the time for the Discord. I'm here to trade typically, so I don't really do. I mean, we're chopping sideways, so I can go and talk about whatever the hell I want because this is not tradable right now. I used to be that guy. Give me your altcoins in the chat. Give me your altcoins. I'll go through your shit coins, and I'll do top-down analysis on Bitcoin, and that helped me kind of learn how to chart and talk to an audience, and I used to do that. I did that for a couple years. Top-down analysis on TRB and Fartcoin. Okay, and really, there's no, in my opinion, there's no real value in that. To an extent, right? Because if it looks like this on one coin, it looks exactly the friggin' same on the other coin, guys. It's very, very. That's why dominance is so strong. Rate cuts priced in. We dump next week. Okay. Yeah, Carlos, I do like that thought, because when we look at what happened, and I was talking about this, I think, on Hackers, but if we look at what happened, really, okay, there was a rate cut scare. I'm just gonna put this all in a group. There's a rate cut scare, okay, and we have since recovered, right? So when rate cuts went to 30% chance, right, we absolutely shit the bed, and now we have recovered, right? So now we're basically priced back in. I do like that thought. We have broken out of the channel, though, guys. I mean, the discovery channel has broken and the high has broken here. So we're looking for retest continuation back to Valhalla quantitative easing. We'll see if it works. Okay. But I do like that thought. Dumping. Big dump on NAS. Interesting. Okay. ES2? No. Okay. Someone got ran over by a Tesla smart car or whatever. Full self-driving. I'm telling you, watch what happens to that stock as soon as one accident happens. It's pretty impressive how there hasn't been like a major injury. Especially with the grandmas driving on the road these days, with all those boomers on behind the wheel. Get their eyes checked. Andrew Cameron, good to see you. Superman, Deli, Woods, good morning. Snowboard, what's going on? Yeah, my job here really is to make new hockey fans. That is, I think I want to do something for the game, you know, Harp? I want to introduce people to the game. The best game in the world. Is the monkey's name Trudeau? No, I'd never let something like that in my house. Disgraceful. Ruined my country, bastard. Anyways, we won't go down that road. Ozette. Let's go. The CME issue messed up my gold. You said CME. This is the first time. I bet you this is the first time Jay Violet's been put in a timeout. You are accountable for the word CME, and you know better. You know better. Can't believe you said Ada Ace. We're on a minute now. You should know better too, Ada Ace. Fucking hell, CME gaps. CME this. Nice push here. Continuation, trying to go. Nice bounce for Solana off VWAP. A little bit of some strength here coming up into the highs here. A little bit of resistance, golden pocket. 786 right now. 786, mitigation of the high. More interested in sweeping the high. Showing some strength here, though. Good morning, Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Fake out this morning. Good old fake out. Trying to get everybody bullish. And possibly continuing upwards. Oof. Are you guys excited? The turkey's working, guys. The turkey is working. Yeah, they had one of their data things not work this morning. Data Data center cooling issue continues to halt CME stock futures trading. There's something for you to talk about on your show. Inform me, Piper. Inform me. I need informing. Sol is ripping? Yeah. I mean, what do you consider ripping? Patience right now. Doo-doo. Thank you for being here, man. Newbie Crypto. Hey, you want? I'll give you 10 seconds, Newbie, because you're cute. I'm kidding. What's going on, Farmer? Mega Founder. It was closed for hours. Cooling is a big issue with data centers. Yeah, they should all... Why aren't you building them in Canada, man? It's like minus 10 out today. Got snow here and everything. Put that shit on ice. AM EST, immutable X, please do TA. 0. I mean, until you get rotation, Bitcoin needs to lead. So if you're in an area that you've done TA on, you've done your research and your fundamental analysis, and crack at it, man. Crack at it. Yeah, Boston's gay. You'll never get me in Canadian ice ballet. Yes, K Diggity. I respect the way you phrased that. What's going on, Gurloo? Canada is definitely not business friendly. You have to put carbon tax, emissions, regulations in your business name. That's how I got away with, having a business. I just named myself AlexOCrypto instead of AlexOCrypto. That's the business account, and they pump my bags now. What kind of info do you provide in your Discord? We have 8 traders. Okay. 8 incredible traders, I should say. Signals, setups, lessons, live streams. More lessons. 140 videos. 140 videos? I can't believe there's like 140 videos. Welcome to Inside the Discord with AlexOCrypto and the Otter Gang. So inside the Discord, what do we have here, right? Like, what are you getting? Well, in here we have a whole bunch of sections. Currently we have 7 traders. We are currently adding more as we go. 8. Okay. We have signals guys. We have different styles of traders. And we have the family. So you will have full access to the family lessons to start off. You guys don't need to see that shit. You can go and watch the video. Nice push here. The best Discord in crypto. The only thing we're missing is a guy named Army Piper to come and do some DCA planning videos. Maybe we'll have to add Piper. I don't know. He's expensive though, but he's worth it. I need coffee so bad right now. I am on my last sip. It was a good coffee this morning, man. Really good. Nice push for Solana here. NASDAQ looking alive here. Now we have a gap from it being shut down, which is interesting. That's why there's a gap, guys. Mind the gap. Solana, I like the balloon dog on Solana. I don't know if anyone took the balloon dog, but the balloon dog was there. Okay. Need to take this liquidity here. Still. I would have liked to take this. Retest to previous highs, continuation up. Bitcoin trying to go 2. No trade here. Triple top. Anybody ever trade the Trident? The Trident pattern? It's actually a very good bottoming and reversal structure pattern. Candlestick pattern. If I told you how to trade it, I'd have to kill you. This is good. This is a good push here, guys. I like this. There's obviously buyers stepping up right now. CVD is probably off the chain. Absorption. Oh, yeah, there it is, guys. Look at the CVD here, guys. Look at that. That is sexy, man. Absorption to the maximum here. Nice push. Nice push. That is beautiful absorption. If this can make a higher high here today, that would be great. Continuation here. Coming back down. Retest. Continue looking to sweep this high here. Double top SFP. Still waiting. No trade here. Don't want to chase price action. I'll find a place, Buck. Just gotta wait until we become the 51st state. Then we'd be doing business, bro. We don't trade cup and handles here. Sorry, just coffees. What's going on, Noob Gecko? Good to see you, man. Spicy sushi, easy money. Can I join with crypto? Possibly. Open a ticket. What time is Discord? I am in Amsterdam. Depends on the time. There's a big schedule. You get a big schedule. You get me right now, then you get Brewberry, then you get myself or Kyle or... Yeah, it's nonstop. There's a schedule, though, in the membership section. Then you also get one late at night, and you get me at night. I told you when I retire, I will live on your Discord, drop my weekly report, and vacation. That's it. There we go. Hi, bro. What's going on, Carlos? The spoon feeding is out of control. It really is. I mean, you could be an absolute retard and make lots of money, but it's not financial advice. We're just trying to help you fish. I will teach you everything I know, as everybody knows. Okay, I'll show you everything. I show you all my macro stuff. I show you all of my portfolio. I show you my count. I show you my compounding. I get bloody well naked for you in that Discord, and then you get 7 other traders on top of that who give you signal setups. I mean, anybody get into HRJ's Solana trade? My God, anybody? My God. What about HRJ's AVAX trade? And we talk a lot of shit. Yeah, we do. I don't know how Kathy and Melissa and Jeanette put up with us, but they do. But the spoon feeding is... I mean, we've been long on Bitcoin from 86,000. It's just a couple of things, right? Just a couple of things. Anyways. Is that recorded? You missed it, Buck. You missed it, man. Looks like a button on a fur coat. You're not missing out much. Cooling towers? That sounds cool, man. Are they cool towers or are they just expensive towers? If you know how to manage your risk, you can do well. This is good, guys. This is not... I'm not jumping in on this. SFP right now. Catching an absolute beautiful bid, mate. Solana typically comes for the second high, but we'll mark these out just in case. Okay, what was option 1, everybody? What was option 1 this morning? This was option 1. We are arriving. Let's go, Biddy. Push you, nambe pambe. 92,000, guys. Beautiful. Do we short it? Nah, this is catching a bid. Do not get in the way. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long dong silver. My goodness gracious. Big SFP. One's in the chat. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin does not care. It's saying, good morning. Coming into resistance right now. Rejection. Big rejection. Continuation here. Trying to push. Solana taking the second high here. Trying to push. Continuation. FOMO? No FOMO, man. I could care less about this. Well, we've moved up $2 on Solana. We've moved up a little bit. SFP of Solana. Trying to continue here. No trade. Nice push this morning. Some aggressive buyers, man. That CVD absorption. Beautiful. Beautiful absorption. Continuation coming into resistance right now. Remember what we talked about at the beginning. Major volume resistance in here, guys. Okay? It needs quite the oomph. Trapping traders. NASDAQ flat. Bitcoin. Liquidation. Grabbing all those liquidities up above. Liquidities. Retest to previous highs on Solana. Coming back in here. No trade. I like this little block here. The bloc de Québécois. We're looking at the bloc de Québécois. We'll see if we bounce off of this. Otherwise, no trade. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up those like buttons, subscribing. If you're new, we got 300 people in here. 370. Holy smokes, you guys are nuts. I don't know why you're watching me, man. We're just here to trade. Thank you for supporting the channel, smashing up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. Piper Academy hit 8,000 subscribers yesterday. Oh, my God. That's incredible, bro. GG's on that, man. GG's on that. Good job putting in the work. Black Friday sales on. People are long. Short squeeze. Yeah. Yeah. Can you show where the resistance is from? It's just the volume above us there. Dusty, we got a lot of liquidity up top. Okay. A lot of liquidity up top in this area here and a shite ton of volume. Okay. There's a lot of volume nipples up here. It's a big old, this is a big support and resistance flip between, and this is, I think this is Army Piper's golden pocket area too. So, I mean, don't F with his golden pocket area, isn't it, Piper? I think it is. There's multiple confluences in that area above us. HRJ signals are fire, absolutely. some pipers in the chat. No problem, Dusty. BTC Mega Pump, yeah, they got you too, didn't they? You're long from right here. I'm kidding, Mohammed. I'm kidding, man. GG's on the longs there, offshore, Dusty, Paul, Ken, Kennedy, Steven, Harp, Dread Mining. Good job. GG's. Love seeing you guys win, man. Good work. Wick's wife, how's it going? Good to see you, wifey. How you been? You behaving yourself? You can open up a ticket now, wifey. You can open up a ticket now. I think I fixed it. It was a bit clogged. Look at all those otters. Yeah, gang. Otters in the... we haven't spammed otters. You know, like, the original thing was spamming otters. It was, like, total... we would go into everybody's chat. The original OGs know that we just go in and just spam the crap out of people's chats. You wouldn't be able to see the chat. It would just be utterly fantastic. That was like from the beginning. That's Tony. Poor Frankie Candles, man. I actually got asked by Tony on Frankie, and anyways, Tony, we won't get into that, but I got asked by Tony to stop spamming otters. Oh man. Frank's chat just used to be, Alex, whose signals in the Discord have been the most profitable so far? I don't know. Depends on your trading style and your setups. They banned the emoji. Yeah, they did. Yeah, they banned the emoji because it was just a plethora of otters. I remember that. Zebras in the chat. Okay. Gang. Let's go. What's going on, Infinite? Good to see you, bro. Lots of splooshies. Yeah. Revisiting this block, a little volume coming into 9 o'clock. Getting everybody excited. It's okay, guys. No trade here. Overextended for Sol. I would actually prefer retest to previous highs here. A little sweepy. There's not much validation for a stop loss in here. That's why this trade sucks. Okay, so like, where's my invalidation, guys? Right, like that. You could go on the 1 minute here, and you could say that, yeah, even this is shit. So entry, order block, stop loss below the low. That you could justify that up only, but the momentum has clearly stopped. Right, it would be this gap here. Retest, validate, invalidation below VWAP. That would be better. It's very important to consider your R multiple before entering. Like, where am I wrong? You must understand where are you wrong in order to take a trade, right? You're putting on risk, which means you're going to be wrong 20, 30, 40% of the time. So you must understand where are you wrong so that you can adjust your position to being okay with being wrong, okay? In this case, it's really, really shite, in my opinion, to where your invalidation is this low, really. You're going to take a trade like this, like an absolute knob cheese? Like, all right, guys, we'll get there eventually. Maybe in market open on Monday. Anyways. I'm going to get some more coffee, everybody. Thank you for being here. 370 people in here, only 131 likes. I don't know what I've done to be shamed like that. Game of Thrones. Shame.
On the come up better sit low. The product but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Oh my God, it's pumping. 50 people. 50 people left. 50 people. I wonder where they went, 50 people. Where do you guys think 50 people left the stream and went to? That's the question. Let me see. Besides Pornhub, there's nothing. Let's go and look at the... Okay, who's live trading right now? Let's go Bitcoin. All right. What do we got here? All right. Who's live? Piano Matty B. If you went and watched Piano Matty B, that's cool, man. I love PMB. Franco Stanko? Oh, Stacko. Sorry, Stanko. The final pump. It's over. Look at this guy, CME outage. Higher. It's obvious. I don't know about that. I don't think anything's obvious right now in the market. Damn, this guy again. Who the fuck's this guy? AlexOCrypto. Fucking like that video. That guy's absolute. Look at this guy. What a tune. Have you heard of TRB? Anyways. No trade here. Flagging out. Start of a flag. Start of a flag. Yeah, fake out. Still waiting here, guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys, man. More of a hobbit, yeah. The guy's an absolute shoe bag, man. Went to work, Alex. Yeah, some people go to work, I guess. You're right, Johnson. What else is the gang for? Who wins the fight? Frankie's taller than me, man. Of course he wins. He's got size on me. It wouldn't be fair. He's got reach. I wouldn't fight Frankie, man. He's too kind. He's too nice. I think he's too nice to all of you people. Alex, why would you trade smaller time frames if win rate on larger time frames is higher? Really? Is that like statistically true? I mean, my bread and butter is scalping. I make all my money scalping. Up, down, all around, funky town. This is my my bread and butter. Whatever your bread and butter is, that's good for you, man. In and out like a good Boy Scout, constantly. That is my that is the goodies. Okay, starting with 20K account every morning, showing you guys the trades, taking the trades, no trades here, nothing going on. Showing you guys all the P&L every single day, the wins, the losses. Okay, even the $900 losses, that's a full position size, okay? It happens. But showing you guys the trades, taking the trades, having fun. Traders helping traders. Making crypto honest again. Trading is waiting. Alex, what are you looking for right now in order to enter a position? So I wanted to see exhaustion further down for Solana. We didn't get that. Okay. I wanted to see Bitcoin. I need to see Bitcoin get above and flip this to support it. It's major resistance. So the idea of longing this does not make sense to me, because if we're, and of course you could have some success. Not saying that you won't, but I know how much resistance is up here. It's going to take a big push. We may get that big push. That's cool. But for me to try to top blast does not make sense. I want to see established strength. To me, this is a good old morning turkey fake out. Okay, it's the real volume hasn't arrived. So if I was going to take advantage of this, I should have done it in here where I was late to notice CVD absorption in here. So flagging out, jump on the trend here after that break. However, now that we've pushed, what are they doing here? They're enticing buyers. Everybody in this chat feels FOMO and they want to be long right now. Okay, me included. I'd love to be long from down here and just chilling. I'm not. So does that mean I top blast? No. There's ways to get into this. Okay, I didn't get what I wanted to see at all. Yeah, so to me this is just a trap right here. This is a trap, and I would prefer to see something like this, and then maybe we break and go, and then we get long here. So I mean, a lot of the time, if you're feeling like longing, you should be shorting. A lot of the time. In my case, I wait. I just wait. I don't need to jump into a trade all willy-nilly. And the problem is that a lot of the time, if you top blast and you have success a couple times, you're used to doing that. You just top blast and you make some change here, right? And then eventually you top blast and you're not fast enough and you get absolutely wrecked. So all your little change from here from top blasting amounts to nothing. That's the sad story. Overextended on the, yeah. So we got a breakout here. Everybody looking for breakout retest continuation trades here. So we would be looking for a revisit of previous highs into here for potential buys. Revisit of previous highs up to, yeah. However that worked. Right? Ascending triangle trying to break out. Sketchy stock market. S&P. S&P. Let me see here. Yeah, so we're looking to gap possibly down here, depending on what happens with all these CME gaps that we've created. Everybody's getting banned today for CME gaps. Discord live today. Black Friday sale on. Looking forward to that. Might go early today. We might do it right after. Why don't we do it back to back? We'll do the stream till 10, and then we'll do 10 to 11 on the Discord. Continue trading. How about that, guys? Discord members, yeah? All right. Looking for, yeah, big trap. Big trap. I can hear my son singing. Round and round, round and round, round and round. Is there people who aren't a Discord member, or are we all smart? Does that work? Yeah, we'll continue going. Okay. I mean, Brewberry typically goes live, but we're gonna step on Brewberry's toes a little bit, which is fine. Half day for New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, we might as well cram it all in, shouldn't we? I think it's $75 DeFi. What's your opinion on the daily volume dropping off? I mean, I would think it would be due to Thanksgiving. Top blast it. Staking, waiting, and making money too. That's the way. You just got into leverage trading on Coinbase. Careful. Take your time, man. 15-minute bear divs. What's going on, Pat? Good to see you. We got a lot of people from the UK. Everything's recorded. Everything's shared. I mean, you do you, man. You don't have to join. Consolidation right here on Solana, no trade. I'd like to see it come back in here. This is just naughty right here. This is naughty. CME down. Okay. Bitcoin holding here. Still trapping traders in my opinion, guys. No. Yeah, no trade. Nothing juicy in my opinion. Top-down analysis, really like looking through Market Cipher and kind of building that narrative. What the idea really is right now is that we have gone sideways, which typically allows oscillators to reset. So understanding that when you have a day of consolidation and sideways, which we did on Turkey Day, it allows oscillators to kind of say, hey man, you're giving us a chance. You're telling me there's a chance, right? So when we look at our daily here, it continues to climb, right? Continues to climb, which is good. Flattening out here on money flow. So we want to see a continuation out. Exhaustion to the downside is working out right now. So it's potential for a pushback, but a clear as day downtrend, guys. A very clear as day downtrend. So any trigger wave is what we need to be watching for, right? This could destroy the market, right? And I don't have to show you back testing trigger waves in a downtrend. You can see the proofs in the pudding. We all know what it looks like. Okay, nasty. Even this one here, nasty. Okay. So if this, then that. Patience here. The 12-hour here is going into the weekend. We would love to see it climb. Okay, we haven't seen it roll over yet. So you can see the one momentum is still pushing up. So you have two momentums in here. They're both pushing up. Right, when you start to see it clip like this, or like this, or like this, it's warning signs, okay? Warning signs could roll over. Right now, this is strength, money flow coming in. Okay, 8-hour money flow coming in, higher highs, higher lows, strength, rounding though. Okay, so warning signs here. 4-hour overextended to the upside, however, resetting over the week and trying to push out. VWAP crossover, money flow coming back in. This is a good sign of strength going into the weekend. However, overextended, right? So in a downtrend, you're typically looking for this to roll over. 3 and 2, still trying to push up. The 1 hour here is the warning sign, in my opinion. Bearish divergence in here, overextended, possibly rolling back over today. Okay? So a little bit of conflict between the 1 and the 2 hour. 2 hour looks like it still has room. 1 hour looks like it's overextended. Going into our 24, overextended. 12, overextended. Okay, so caution here. Pullbacks are for possibly buying, but don't be naive to the fact that we're Bart Simpsoning mega after that. This push, we are in for a treat if we do get rejected. This will go down just as fast back to retest this area in here. So be prepared for that. If this, then that. Locally right now, looking good. Nice push up, higher highs, higher lows all the way through, breaking out of this triangle as we talked about. Looking for some sort of consolidation, continuation into major resistance above us. Major. Okay, so it needs some oomph. Can we get it today? Everybody celebrate Turkey Day and got their grandparents to put Bitcoin in their 401ks, maybe. Who knows? What's going on, Mahi from India? My man. Plus the recorded videos. Yeah, I mean 130 videos and 140 videos pre-recorded on everything. We have everybody in the Discord's from India as well. Good fun. Good fun, man. So after the stream, we'll jump right over into the Discord and continue trading. No delay, guys. We can trade together. Half day, cram it in. Who cares, right? That's what I almost said. That's what she said. Now I did say that's what she said. 13 minutes till market open here. NASDAQ. I'd like to see NASDAQ fill this gap before heading higher. Look at this. Absolute turd burger here. What's up, buddy? Knock, knock. Are you okay? Who's there? Hi, handsome. Dada's working right now. I gotta click a couple buttons before I come out and play. Okay? I love you. he's at my door going, Dada? I can hear you. He's obsessed with tigers lately. Too much Wu-Tang. He's like, rah. Is he making the tiger noise? Rawr. Rawr. He's got like this jungle book. He's got this jungle book and like the button is a tiger. So good. And he's just like, he's going around now. Rawr. Tiger style. Thank God. Does he look more like me or my wife? My wife. Thank God. Thank God he looks like my wife, man. Rawr. That's it. Career day for Baby Otter at school. Brings dad in. Dad sits down, clicks buttons, makes half a teacher's annual salary in 15 minutes. Teacher shortage occurs in Canada. Let's go, Piper. Rah, 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 Zell. Ladies and gentlemen, is he man or machine? Hi, my name. AlexOCrypto. The four elements: earth. Good fun, man. I used to sit there like as a kid and just like boots and cats and boots and cats and. Anybody's exchange being weird? My Bitunix is acting up, man. What is going on? Anybody's exchange acting up? Hello, Bitunix. Okay, we're back. I don't trust shit like that. Once that happens, coming into market open. MexC's fine. Mine was earlier today and back. I can do that in your butt. Can you, song? That's a good one, man. What's going on, Dominican Republic? Let's go, man. Let's go. I've been to Dominican twice. Baby Otter loves the beatboxing. He's totally for the jam, man. He gets like all like jiggy with it. It's hilarious. What the fuck, bro? Stop. I won't. I'll be generous today. Not. Should I continue? I feel like my job today is just to like mute people for CME. Oh my god. Dude, how would you do that to yourself, man? This is what is my job today? To CME yourselves? Of course it goes down on a Friday. Of course, everybody here CME chatting. Free timeouts. Come and get them. What should we... Y'all, what should I get wifey for Xmas? Yeah, everybody, what are we getting my wife for Christmas, too? Offshore. I missed the question, bro. I'm sorry. You can ask the question again. I forget what you asked. I just saw CME and I blocked it. The only CME question I'll allow is from Offshore Miner because he's family. What does she like? Well, I got her a couple things already. I got her on NASDAQ. It's filled. Beautiful. Coming into market open 5 minutes. Biddy's climbing, man. Catching a bid. Look at this thing. Everybody's FOMO long right now. I love it. And I'm not. I'm here losing money. And everybody's rich. Bitcoin coming into resistance now. Good push here coming into market open. You guys can all tell me you're long. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. GG's, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. GG's, guys. GG's from me. GG's from me. Bitcoin's ripping, baby. Let's go. I feel the FOMO now. Now I feel the FOMO. Bear divs. Market open. Bitcoin flying, baby. Let's go. Happy days. Happy days. Good job, everybody. Brumbelo's long. Good job. Just took profits. Paul. Good job, bro. Constantine. Good job, everybody. Dylan's above average. My Bitunix is down. Look at this, guys. Bullshit. No trades for me right now. I can't even FOMO if I wanted to. See, God is good, man. God is like, okay. Almost 200 likes. Thanks, guys. You guys make my dreams come true today. Market is open. Bear divs coming back for late longs. Retest to previous highs. ES rolling over. SPY gapping up. Okay, SPY's gapping up here. We'll see if it gets filled today. Jammy Dodger. See if we get a Jammy Dodger here. Solana pushing up, sweeping that high. Would have liked to see lower on Solana. Bitcoin rolling over here, no trade. Bearish divergence into major resistance. Coming back for late longs. NASDAQ rolling over. Rolling over, a little bit of FUD this morning. Don't forget that. Leaving the gap here on the SPY. Retest to previous highs. Possible continuation here to the upside. No trade yet. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smacking up the like button, subscribing if you're new, all those good things, joining the Discord. Black Friday sale is on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. The real Black Friday. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. Calls expiring today. Too easy. Black Friday, dump. Good morning, nonstop. Good to see you. Good to see you, Trade Intuition. Thank you for being here as well. Paul Caruso, Offshore, BOGO, Decent Crypto. Bitunix is down. Yeah. Silver's ripping. That's great. NASDAQ's pushing here. Let's go, NASDAQ. SPY gapping up, looking strong. Bitcoin coming back down. Interesting. A little bit of a divergence in price action here. Oh, my Bitunix is back. I'm not risking any capital here, guys. If Bitunix keeps going on and off and on and off, fucking bullshit. Sorry, mind my French, but I'm not letting an exchange take my damn money. They take enough already. I'm gonna have a serious problem with these guys, man, if they continue this shit. Big sweep here. Solana trying to continue here. Continuation. Can't be doing that, man. Market open. Bitcoin rolling over here. Overextended, but nice bullish momentum coming in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. We'll see if we do. We got kids watching today. No, you shouldn't be. I clicked. This is for 18 and older. I clicked that button, farmer. Sorry. Okay, coming down here. Full moon Thursday. Oh, don't get us all excited, Milo. We're teaching the kids swear words already. What's going on, Rudy? Good to see you. Bogo, good to see you. Below average. MexC, we won't even go there. MexC scammed me out of like $4.5 grand. Went down, entered a position. Went down when I entered the position, and they didn't reimburse me, so we won't even talk about that. Anything that gives you zero fees, you better be damn sure to be safe on that. Never had any problems with BloFin, yeah. Words are words. That's it. I'm 13. I don't mind the language, says Dusty. Let's go. Kids are like, Daddy, what's a douche canoe? My son's going to call people douche canoes, and they're not even going to know what hit them. Complete mental noodle slap. Bearish divergence here. Looks like it wants to roll over. NASDAQ showing strength, though. SPY showing strength. Gap up, coming up to fill this guy up here. Ethereum, very toppy. That looks very toppy, in my opinion. Trapping a lot of longs up here, guys, so be patient. If you're in a long, I would pay yourself. Remember where we're at. We're coming into major resistance right now. Bitcoin trying to push. Can it continue? 12-minute trigger to the downside. 24, a little overextended, starting to clip. See if it can continue this here, but not something I'm looking to trade just yet. Still waiting. Rolling, rolling. NASDAQ strength. Okay. weird price action for NASDAQ recently. SFP of the high here. SPY, same deal. SFP of the high here. So we've taken liquidity out of the highs here. Suggestive price action to be down. Bitcoin rolling over here. Doji engulfing. Rotation down. Don't get trapped trying to long this pullback, okay? So if we come into here, don't just smash a buy, okay? Don't just smash a buy. Because a lot of the time they'll entice you in a key area and then they'll roll it over. And remember, we're very overextended. A little patience here. Thank you everybody for being on the live. Big rejection on NASDAQ. SPY's okay. The gap down here makes me believe that we should at least retrace back into here for the SPY this morning. It's up 0.25%. Yeah, that makes sense coming back to where it started, which would mean down for the rest of the market. Bitcoin getting a nice push here. Strength in the move. So you're looking for retest continuation in here, but you want confirmation down in this area before you look for higher major resistance area. Solana double top SFP, rotation down. Don't have confirmation on this just yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here and smashing up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. We got a whole plethora of people in here, 460 people here. Thank you guys for being here, 216 likes. Thank you guys for that as well. And supporting the channel, hanging out. Bunch of Black Friday deals on. Make sure you get your trading view, your market ciphers, your chart primes, your Discord, whatever you're looking to get. It's typically the best deal you'll get all year. I've bought a couple of trading views this year, stacking. You can stack your trading view subscriptions. I got 2 this year, so make sure you get that stuff. Trading is waiting right now. This looks lower. Lower, lower, lower. NASDAQ lower. Yeah, there it is. The SFP coming back down for all this. This is just clear liquidity as ever. Clear as day. Bitcoin coming down. Anybody in the short, put 2 in the chat. GG's, everybody. Dump it. I mean, good patience. Good patience right now. SFP of the low here for Solana. Sweep of the low and bounce could be nice here for potential long. Not with everything rolling over here, but good call on the SFP here on the NASDAQ. Really giving us the story this morning. Patience in here. Nice SFP into resistance in here. So good discipline. So far, so good. Happy days. Solana, a little bounce back, retest of previous lows. Bitcoin trying to push up here. Took profit on my short too early. That's okay. It's profits, man. Piper's golden pocket. GG's on the shorts. What's going on, Terry? Good to see you. Tim, Buck, David Brumbelow, DeFi, Luck. What's going on? Good to see you. Bad Karma. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Never financial advice, just a trader amongst traders, taking trades, showing you the trades, making crypto honest again. Thank you for being here, everybody. We just hit major resistances and you dropped and you're looking for longs. I guess you're new here, Nicholas. We scalp. I'm not here to hit home runs. We're here to trade. Thank you for being here. Infinite team, God bless you. But yeah, man. Thanks for being here, man. Just stick around a little bit, you'll see. Are you looking for 1, 2, 3 now? No. No, we're not looking for that yet. Not yet. No. Not with this kind of top. Right now we're looking for retesting continuations. See how the NASDAQ behaves down in here. Our trend is still up on the higher term time frames, right? So for me, it's like this is our clear mitigation on a higher term time frame. I mean, we could split some hairs and go here if we wanted to. Not really, right? So, I mean, you would need to break here, and then you would look for retesting continuation. Not yet. Right now, it's continuation. You're looking for this thing for continuation. Okay, just trapping longs early this morning. Major resistance. So if this, then that. Patience right now. No trade. If we get an established low here, right, and we come back up and then we break that low, then okay, we can look for it, but not yet. Still waiting. Thank you, Infinite. God bless you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. BloFin and Hyperliquid are better than MexC. I would say BloFin. BloFin it's pretty expensive fees, but I'd definitely say it's Nick, you seen his trading P&L the last month? Yeah. It's been a good November. It's been a good November. We'll put it that way, Nick. It's been the best November of my life. Oh, man. I'm almost I'm at 193 right now, guys. And I don't know to push for like 7,000 more. I've gone 50 to 193 this month, which is fucking crazy. Don't ask me how. But I want to push for 7. And I know if I push for 7, this is going to be like an 85. I know it. I know it's going to happen. I know it's going to happen. But I think I'm going to try. Why not? Fuck it, right? That's top smash. Right? Bounce on NASDAQ. Bounce on Solana. It is. It's going to look like that, isn't it? Stop loss to entry. I told you I'm top smashing, guys. I told you I'm top smashing. Solana came into my box. I told you I was top smashing. Up $200 already. TP1 hit. Top smashing. Hit my box. This one's for you. I am one of you guys, man. I'm top smashing. It hit my box. A doji engulfing continuation trade here. Possibility for more upside. We're going to get that 7K. We got what? 2 days? How many days in November? We got 2 days. 2 days, 7K. It's not impossible. Wasn't a setup. I was gonna say, hey, look, I'm looking to enter here. You guys got me all excited about my my month that I've had. Come on, push Solana, you namby-pamby. Let's go. Bitcoin retested previous highs. Continuation. Gotta go. NASDAQ pushing. Confluence. SPY pushing. Confluence. Bitcoin trying to go back. Coming back for late longs. Retest continuation. Previous highs. Here's your breakout. Retest continuation. Remember, always understand higher term time frames when we're looking to trade, right? Solana, gotta go, man. Gotta go. Looking to come for this liquidity in this high here. I'm not going to be a dick for a tick this morning. I'll take that off. Take most of that off. A nice $400 start. It's good for me if it does push here. Bitcoin's looking strong, though. Solana will zip back down, though, and then push. If Bitcoin's going to push. I'd rather take that off and guarantee some profits to start the day. We're going to do Discord Live after this as well. No, Bitcoin rolling over. Other screen. Bitcoin rolling over. See, Solana will do this. Got to tease it sometimes. Got to give it a little tease. Come on, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Blow on it, guys. Blow on it. Waiting. Bitcoin looks good here. Let's go push you, namby pamby, front running my VWAP like that. Steve Ruggles a little bit here. Might come back for this. Might come back for the standard deviation here and then go, which is probably stop me out. Bitcoin's pushing though. Looking strong. NASDAQ cooling off, coming back for late shorts. Trying to push here. We wait here. Yeah, it's coming back for me. It's like, I know your stop loss is down here, bro. I've been hunting you for years, AlexOCrypto. You know nothing, Jon Snow. Bear divs, SFP of the low, continuation up. Here, just move up. You can just go up now. Get the magnet out. I got the magnet, bro. I read get the magnum out. I guess I'm too used to hearing that from my wife. And I'm kidding. It's too easy. It's Friday, man. It's Friday, man. Where's the damn magnet? He is one of us. Come on, you Nambe Pambe. I got it, guys. Hold my magnet. I read Magnum, guys. I can't help it, man. You know what we used to do? We used to get, when we were kids, as a joke, when we were drinking and like being stupid, we used to stretch the condoms out and put the condom just below your nose, like you stretch it out over your head, and this is how retarded we were as kids. Okay, you stretch the condom out over your head, just below your nose, and then you'd sit there and you blow it up with your nose, so you get a big cone head. Anybody else do that? You pull it over your head, right below your nose, and then we would blow them up with our nose, and then we would have a big condom head. Is that crazy? It's international? Is it international? Am I one of you guys or what? These are essential things, right? Yeah, absolutely. It's a time before phones. Exactly. Oh, man. Must be a Canadian degenerate thing. Hey, man, it was funny. It was funny. This is gay. So gay. You can take it if you want, baby. Take it. Hit me with your best shot. I want $200 out of this at least. Fire away. No, they were used ones. TRD. It was the used one. We might need a Magnum after all. Yeah, infinite. I've been trying. You know what will work? It never fails. The schlong. Just give it a little slap. Don't worry, it's just the tip. This is some namby-pamby price action, everybody. Welcome to crypto. I'm telling you, the otter will work, though, man. Otter don't give two smacks. We're a grower and a shower. Come on. Imagine someone's coming here for the first time. We're talking about blowing up condoms with our nose. Schlongs. I feel bad for people. We actually want to help people here. Best community in crypto. You guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. Thank you for being here and putting up with my ass, man. You guys are top notch. Stopped out? Yeah, Bitcoin's rolling over. This will stop me out here. Stopped out. Back to it. Get stopped out so it can run. Yeah, that's typically how it goes, isn't it? Yeah, a little flaccid here, really. Coming back, filling the fair value gap. Standard deviation 1, trying to push. No trade. I like that slap, though. That was a good slap and go. That was a good little scalp. Happy days. Base hit. GG's in the chat. Let's keep it going. We're going to go over to the Discord in 2 minutes, guys. Yeah, the momentum on Nas slowed down. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. It's going to go now. Look, this was our entry right here, right? We could have kept it like this, you know. Don't give it back, though, man. Don't give the money back. Anchor trigger wave here, trying to push out. 12-minute. Bearish divergence. So you have conflicting time frames here. 12-minute will typically win out, but we got bullish momentum and trend on our side. This could play. I mean, who doesn't like a $200 start to the day? $100 an hour. Not bad. Keep it going. Of course it's going to go here, guys. There is no second best. Is anybody long? I'm just curious. Don't give it back, man. Don't give it back. You know, $200 a day. 250 trading days a year, guys. You're making 50 grand a year, man. Who doesn't like a nice $50,000 US a year, man? That's a good day, man. You guys are all long. Look at you guys counter trading me, man. I should have held. I should have held, man. We're going to the Valhalla. Don't you know, AlexOCrypto? You're an idiot. Whatever, man. Whatever. Show me your P&L. I'll show you mine. We can be friends. I love you too. We'll send everybody who isn't in the Discord over to Army Piper. Army Piper is the man with plan, action, lights, camera, action. Look at this. It's gonna go here. It's gonna go here. You son of a bitch. Anyways. It was a fun one this morning, guys. I do appreciate you guys being here, supporting the channel, subscribing, hanging out. It's Friday, baby. Don't be too hard on yourselves. Happy turkey, belated day. Enjoy your weekend. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. God bless you and have a wonderful weekend. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another